This is it. This is the biggie. This is Bingley 5 Rise. This week, we start with one of the 7 wonders of the canal network. I finally get my drone out. We get snowed on, we go cruising, and we end up in a stunning part of Yorkshire. Bingley 5 Rise is the steepest flight of locks in the UK, with a gradient of about 1 in 5. It has an overall rise of 59 feet and 2 inches over a distance of 320 feet. The intermediate and the bottom gates are the tallest in the country. One of the greatest feats of canal engineering in its day, the Grade 1 listed Bingley 5 Rise locks opened in 1774. Around 30,000 people turned out to cheer their opening, and the local soldiers fired their field guns in salute. The locks were designed by James Bingley and built by John Longbottom, who was the first Leeds and Liverpool canal engineer. The locks took only 4 years to build, which was amazing. Wow. That is wonderful. Lock 1 of the Bingley 5 Rise. We're with Gavin. Turn around. Say hello.
Hello.
And we're with Jane.
Hi.
And we're going up the 5 Rise. Yes. Right, that is the ground paddles open. They are a little bit harsh. These guys banging around a bit. These intimidating lock gates are the tallest in the country.
Clear.
So going up the very last lock of the Bingley flight. Few gongoozlers. Very nice. Nearly there. Ride of a lifetime. That's it. Bingley 5 Rise done and dusted. It's so beautiful. Lovely. Well, that was fun. Bit bumpy. We got there in the end. We're having a great British winter. Get this, me. It looks like a Christmas card. That's stunning. Charlie's had enough. I think she's hammering back to the boat. Good girl. Definitely got snow on my boat today. Oh, I hope Charlie's gone. Hope she doesn't slip getting on. Be very careful, Charlie. Might be better if you stay and I'll get you. Stay. Stay. Oh, look at my boat. Right, going in. It's
What are you doing? Is that a little bit exciting out there? Well, that's a bit snowy.
And this video was about 6 hours later. How beautiful is that? Haircut done. Just getting ready to leave the top of Bingley 5 Rise. First things first, Charlie's bed. Under this blanket we have a bed. On top of the bed goes her hot water bottle. And then we tuck it all in so she stays as snuggly as she can. She's not spoilt. Are you, mate? No. Are you warm enough there, my love? So behind that blue boat is Bingley 5 Rise and the wonderful cafe. And now we are off for adventures anew, going towards Skipton. Not going to get to Skipton today. We're just going to keep going until we find a pretty mooring. Somewhere not in a town for a change. Because this is beautiful, but quite busy with people walking up and down. So I think I'll try and find somewhere a little bit out of the way, just for a change. And the next obstacle we have is an electronic swing bridge. Luckily, the buttons are on the towpath side, so I can just moor up and use it. Doesn't look a very busy road either, so hopefully I won't hold up too many people. Swing bridge is open. And even though the road was completely empty when I started, there's now a great long queue of cars. I feel bad. Oh well. I'll be as quick as I can. I'll do that ineffectual run thing. Quite like electronic bridges when the buttons are on the towpath side. There you go, the road is back in place. And you just keep your finger on the button and eventually the barriers go up. But it is a long wait and it looks like I'm not doing anything. We are done. Always makes me feel so bad. Look at them all. Good Lord. This looks like an old mill that's been converted into a couple of houses. Lovely. Very nice. Oh, I am enjoying Yorkshire. People are so friendly. Everybody stops for a little chat on the towpath. And there, the kingfishers just popped out to say hello. It's rather lovely. Thank you for that, mate.
You want a charity walk from Leeds to Liverpool? 6 of us for Henry.
Walk for Henry.
Who's Henry?
Stage
Walk
4
for Henry.
terminal cancer. So yeah.
Oh, mate. Okay.
It's a tough do, but
35-year-old.
we're gonna
Twins on way.
35-year-old.
Yeah,
yeah,
we're
we're
twins on
twins
the
up
way.
there, so
So if people want to give, have you got a giving page?
The GoFundMe on GoFundMe. If you go on Northern Power Grid's website, we've got the War Hike for Henry, it's called on theirs. If you want to donate and sponsor us, it's on there. Very much.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Anything's appreciated.
What a nice bunch of guys. So if you want to support Hike for Henry, the link is in the description.
That's the sound of a weir, keeping the water level perfect. Just on the edge of a town called Keighley. Big town, all sorts of shops and things, but I don't need anything. So, if the light is still with me, we're gonna carry on through. We have a little swing bridge coming up. So I shall try and show you how I do these single-handed, because you operate it from not the towpath side. I'll take my really long centre line and I tie it to the bridge, just here. There we go. And What just kind of drifts about waiting for me. On What she's getting really close to the side here. I'm going to give her a little bit of a shove. She's straightening up a bit now. There, now I need to open the jolly bridge. They are easy to open. So keeping an eye on What so she's not hit by the bridge. I might have to jump on and sort of shove her. To get her nose to go round the bridge. What I keep doing is pushing her nose away from the bridge as the bridge is pushed open, and she slowly trundles through. So I can open the bridge fully now because she's in a good position again. Right, so she's halfway through the bridge, so now I've just got to pull her through. Here's her rope, and I just get to pull it. I pull her, she gets close to the bridge, so I just sit down and use my legs to push her away, and then she just sort of trundles through slowly, gently. It takes ages, but we will get there. Now this couple in the car want to use the bridge, and they said, would you like a hand? So I've thrown them the rope and they're pulling What through. When she's out of the way, I can close the bridge and we can all get on our way. Yeah. Lovely. Well, that gave you some idea of how I do swing bridges on my own. It's lovely. People do help. Hello. Hello. Be careful, Charlie, don't fall in. Your bum's over the edge. I think I'm being seen off. Careful, Charlie. Don't, you're scaring me. Private property, no dogs. Yeah, there might be dogs. Hello, you two. What you like? We're going. Thanks for protecting me, Charlie. Wow. I'm the only one moving today. I haven't seen any other boats. So I'm the only one to get to look at this and that. It's lovely.
Well, we're nearing the end of another week. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you can leave a comment, that would be fabulous. So, we're going to go and find a mooring now. It's amazing. And I'll see you next Sunday.
Perfect. Now this is what I call a mooring. Haven't got any trees. There's lots and lots of sky. Lovely old bridge. And then Yorkshire. Stunning. Look at that. That's amazing.